Hi guys, I got a rather large box from China yesterday. There's 3 diamond paintings in here, and these are the ones that I ordered from DPF. This is my second order from them, and all I've done was wipe the box down and take the labels off. Now I'm going to cut it open. This is a new blade, so cut it right open. That's great. Dangerous. Looks like there's 2 of the regular boxes in here. They're pretty long though. And this also should contain my missing color from my sunset piece that I wasn't able to start when I was ready. So I had to start something else. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it was wrapped in bubble wrap and then the plastic. Oh my goodness. All right, let me get this out of the way. All right, so there's 2 boxes. This one's in really good shape. This one is a little wonky, so, but they don't have any dents in it, so it didn't get dented. That's a good thing. All right, let's see. There's no way I can get all of this on the camera anyway, but it's all wrapped up. Let's see if I can pull it out. Oh, goodness. Okay, so this box is empty. Let me set that aside. Ooh, I want to knock over the piece I'm working on. Okay, so I've got, looks like 2 canvases, maybe. Yeah, the smaller one inside. Okay, so there's the 2 canvases, and there's 2 toolkits, just your basic, toolkits. I'm going to set those aside over there. And oh, knocking on the door. That figures. Okay. I'll go get it in a little bit. I'm going to finish this first. I can see what it is. Hopefully it's not going anywhere. Alright. So this is square drills. And this one is a campfire scene. I'm not going to open this up. I'm just going to try to do this real quick before I get interrupted again. I swear it is so difficult to make videos during the day. Okay, so this one, it's a 50 by 65 centimeter, which is a pretty good sized one. And it's here. Okay, it has, well, I don't know how many colors. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 28 colors. Okay, so that's not too bad. But y'all see what the picture looks like. Okay, and I'm going to peel this corner real quick. The quality of these has been really good. I'm going to have to burnish it down just a little bit. That corner was a little sticky. Yeah, I think I'm going to be able to see that just fine. Take a quick peek. It's kind of dark, but the picture is kind of dark in that corner, so yeah. But I'll straighten it out and everything. But I wanted to do this unboxing, really quickly. All right, let me put this behind me without knocking over anything. Hello, or falling on the floor. Okay, the next one is a smaller one. This one is a 40 by 50 centimeter, which is about 16 by 20. The other one was 18 by 24. This one is 16 by 20. This one I got to go with my lighthouse picture that I got from Amazon. One of the first ones I ordered was a lighthouse. And this one, it looks to me like goes with it. So this is also squares. Lots of watercolors, aquas, and browns, the rocks. I like this one a lot. That's really pretty. Yeah, I've been looking for one to go with that lighthouse for a long time, and finally, finally, I find one. Let's go to a light corner. Like I said, I'll straighten all these out later. But at the moment, I just want to, oh yeah, that's easy to see. That looks really good. Yeah, see, that looks really good. I'm pleased with the company so far. I only had the one issue with the one color missing, and they've started doing check marks on their inventory list, so hopefully nothing will be missing from any of the other kits. All right, there's that one. Set it back there behind the baby wipes. And the last box, my missing color should be in here somewhere. I'm going to break my nails now. I haven't polished them yet, but I'm growing them out, see? Don't know why, I'm just doing it. Maybe for the holidays. I do that every once in a while, but if they get to bothering me too much, I'll chop them off. Okay, empty. Alright, toolkit, there's my missing colors, and a surprise. Oh, earrings. Danglies. Interesting. I probably won't wear them as is, but I can take them apart and use the beads. Ha! Yeah, there's a toolkit, and those are the missing beads from the sunset, so that's good. I can go ahead and work on that when I get through with the other one I've got going. This one's a big one, too. This one is humongous. This is the biggest one yet. Whew. It's a 50 centimeter by 70 centimeter. It is huge. There's 2 packs of beads, and it's a fox. It's a fox. Look how pretty that is. I've been looking for a fox, and this is the prettiest one I've seen. Gorgeous, gorgeous red fox. Now, I have a photograph of a gray fox that I'm going to do myself. We went camping and had a gray fox come and visit us. So I got lots of pictures of him moving around, so I can sketch the picture I want to actually do. But this one is humongous. Oh my word. Yes, it's very big. Oh my goodness. Yes, very big. Okay, let's see. Yep, I can see it pretty well. Yeah, it looks really good. I'll bring it up here so y'all can see. So there's a top corner. But yeah, it looks really good. I have to put my light pad under it. I did get an extra large light pad, so I'll show you guys that. But I will smooth all this out and hang them later. I've got all the rest of them hanging, and of course I need to make the cards for them. I did get a box for my cards. I don't know if I showed you the box. Of course, I can't put my hands on it right at the moment. I'm not sure what I did with it. I've been rearranging things in here, and I'm not sure what I did with that box, but yeah. Anyway, trying to focus the camera. The piece that I'm working on, here's my light pad. The piece that I'm working on is this one. This is sunset in the sea. So this part is water, and then of course it's reflecting the sky and the water, and it's nighttime. It's like a twilight almost scene. You probably can't. Uh-oh, there's a loose drill. Hello. Grab that. Put it over here. Off. Static. Okay, so this is, it's little bitty. You can't really see it. But anyway, so I'm like 2/3 of the way done with this one. And here's my extra large light pad. Okay, this is an Aptek. It's AGPTEK. I don't know how to pronounce it because the letters don't make sense. Like Russian. It doesn't make sense. But there's the brand. Okay, and it's the big one. It's like 12. Okay, here's the centimeters. All right, so it's 32 centimeters by 42 centimeters inside. And then it's big on the outside. But I got this because the 16 by 20 fits on here, you know, just really, really, really well. If this is 16 by 20, I don't even know. Let me see. What is this one? It's not a, I don't think it's 16 by 20. It's like 14 by 18. Yeah. yeah, it's about, I guess, let me see. So the finished product is like 12 by, yeah, 12 by 18, the finished thing. So this fits almost on there. It's not quite. So the inside of this one is 17 by 13. So it's a really nice big surface, and it's a 3-tap. It's not a where you can hit it and it goes up and down. No, this one is a 3-tapper. I like that because it's doesn't have that grill on here. There's no grill underneath, and it shows real clear through through the piece, and it's yeah, it's nice. I'm enjoying it. But I have to work on it on the desk unless I get out my big easel, my big table easel. That works as well. But I'm enjoying working on them flat because I can put my colors, you know, right around here. And I intend on doing a tip video of my setup and everything eventually. I just haven't had the time. Fall is a very busy time of year for me. Everybody demands my attention. I can't even stream right now. Everybody wants me to do everything. So it's just really busy, plus the fact that I keep hurting myself, so that's not helping. So anyway, this is what I'm working on now. I know my camera's a little wonky. There we go. I didn't get it set perfect, but at least it's functioning at the moment. It wasn't functioning earlier. But okay, so that's my unboxing of my 3 new pieces. I got my extra color that I was missing, my 648 for my sunset, my big colorful sunset. And so that's, I think that one is 20 by 20 inches. I think it's a big one. So I'm working with that, and I've got another order coming in from Huacan, which will include the right. They mixed up one of my orders. They sent me a round canvas but square drills. That didn't work. Yeah, that absolutely did not work. So they're sending me, since I had all the square drills set up and ready to go, they're sending me the square canvas so I can start over. So yeah, I mean, I did about this much of it, and it just wasn't working out because the canvas was too big. I mean, it just had way too much space around the drills. So yeah, it was originally a round order, but since they sent me the wrong drills and I already had those set up, I just asked them to send me the square canvas. And so that's going to be included, and that should be here in a few days, I hope. Yeah, but I will give more details on the new stuff later on once I write the cards up and everything. And hopefully everything is here. But yeah, okay, so that's it. And I will see y'all later. Thanks for watching.